Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to voice chat in Roblox. So let's begin. So in Roblox, your voice chat option is disabled by default, and to enable it, you need to either verify your email or your phone number. So we'll head to roblox.com and then log into our account. And then after logging into your account, press the settings on the upper right corner and then go to settings here. From here, as you can see, I have a critical icon and my email address, and they want me to add my email address. So I will click on add email. Now here I will paste down my email address. So after you have inserted your email address, click on add email. Alright, so an email verification will be sent to your email address. You can click on OK over here, and as you can see, it's pending verification. So if I go to privacy content restrictions here and then go to communications, I will find the voice chat option here, but my email isn't verified. So let's verify our email. So as you can see, I have an email from Roblox, and if I click verify email over here, you'll see that my email has been verified and I also got a free item. So as you can see, now I have a voice chat option right over here. And if I click on this voice chat option over here, you'll be able to see that I have the option to enable my microphone. So if I click on enable microphone and click enable, then my microphone will be enabled and I will be able to use my microphone in Roblox. However, in some cases, you might need to verify your age. So as you can see here in account info, here is an option called verify my age. So if your voice chat option does not pop up, then in that case, you will need to click on verify my age, and you need to verify your age with an ID card. You'll need to be 13 or above to use voice chat. And now after I launch the game, you'll be able to see that I have an option to mute and unmute myself. If I click here, I have unmuted myself and I'm able to chat with my teammates. So guys, that is how you can voice chat in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.